Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do Grade 3rd English, Unit 6, Chapter 1, Trains. Unit 6, Chapter 1, Trains. Now, here are the hard words of this lesson. Train, T-R-A-I-N, train. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S, passengers. M-A-I-L, mail. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S, precious, कीमती. F-R-E-I-G-S-T, फ्रेट, यानी कि जो गुड्स कैरी करता है, गुड्स ट्रांसपोर्ट, इसको बोलते हैं फ्रेट. डस्क, D-U-S-K, डस्क. सनसेट, D-A-W-N, dawn, यानी डे ब्रेक, दिन की शुरुआत. सो हियर दिस हार्ड वर्ड्स यू विल राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक विद द गुड हैंड राइटिंग. These 10 hard words you will write down in your notebook with the good handwriting as a CW, as a HW in your English notebook. Thank you. Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn Grade 3rd English, Unit 6, Chapter 1, Trains. Here we will learn about the train. You can see here picture of a train in your textbook. Now let's see this poem. Have you traveled on a train? Read and enjoy this poem. क्या आपने कभी ट्रेन में ट्रैवल किया है? Yes, of course, I have traveled on a train. Now let's see trains के बारे में. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here comes the train. ट्रेन कहाँ कहाँ से आती है? Over the mountain, over the plains. Plains means a जमीन. ये जो आपको दिख रहा है plain area, it's called plains. Over the rivers, river को भी क्रॉस करके आती है. Look at this picture. रिवर को भी क्रॉस करके आती है. Here comes the train or train came. Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. What train carries? Train carries passengers, mail, precious load, or how? Train never forgetting to take all these things. Here you can see in your textbook there are two types of train. It is a passenger train and it is a goods train. Look at this picture very carefully. It is a passenger train and it is a goods train. Passenger train जो मुसाफरी करने के लिए जाते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर, that it's called passenger trains. And goods train जो लगेज कैरी करके जाता है वो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? goods train. So carrying passengers also, mails also, and precious load. So train carry all the things. So look at these two picture carefully in your textbook. That goods train carry precious loads and this passenger also trains carry. Thousands of freight cars are rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Now here, what happened? Day and night, trains carry precious load. Freight means goods transport. What train carries? Goods transport. जो हमारा लगेज होता है, सामान होता है, वो कैरी करके he is train not looking for the day and night, but he carry all the things without fail. Dusk and don'ts means he is train not looking that is the day or night, but he carry all the things without fall. Now, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here comes the train. So here, train comes from the mountain, plains, rivers, and trains carry all the things, passengers, mail, precious load, and without looking day and night, he carry all the things for us. So train is very important in our life. Now here, mountains, passengers, rivers, precious, mail, plains, dusk and dawn. So these hard words you will write down in your textbook with the good handwriting and read this poem yourself. Read this poem yourself. Thank you.